Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Samsung S View flip cover for the Note 9. Now, of course, this comes in a variety of colors. This is the ocean blue to match the ocean blue that I actually purchased, and essentially it gives you a kickstand for watching videos and also allows you to answer, or take calls, I should say, as well as reject them while the cover is closed. The cover does act as a screen protector of sorts. There you can see the illustration of the incoming number coming up for you to decide whether or not you want to accept or reject, and then you have the actual kickstand mode. This is not a new product by any means. Samsung did revise it, as they generally do every generation. So with that said, let me go ahead and pop this out. And these are all accessories that at first I really didn't have a great interest in, because I did not think that the Note 9 was going to be a keeper for me, but the reality is that I have come to really like it. So they're demonstrating right here on the diagram what it looks like inside the case and then how to actually insert it, but I'm not really too concerned. I'm looking just to make sure. It looks like they want us to go top first, from what I can tell. Either way, let's just pop this guy in and see what happens. Yeah, okay. So, and it's probably out of concern for scratching the phone. And there you have it. Let me take this off. And I should have taken off the plastic, obviously, that's inside as well. So there you have it. You can see through the case, we are seeing time and date. From what I know, that doesn't remain always on, which it did in previous generations. And then, of course, you have access to your phone. You do not have a wallet here, for those of you wondering. Do you still have that wallet capability? No, that is lost. But fit and finish, I would say, is pretty good. And it offers a decent amount of protection. If you're looking for something, there's your volume rocker, Bixby button, of course, physical access to the power button, and then, of course, clear access to the camera system and fingerprint scanner. So if you're looking for a wallet style cover that is unique, I think this does fit the bill. I have another piece of plastic here that I have to remove. I'm not sure if I do or I don't. But, the metallic front end of this is not going to be for everyone. In previous generations, it was not metallic like this, but I thought it was unique, thought it was interesting, and I can't replace my wallet with one of these wallet style covers for the Note 9. So in my opinion, it was more interesting than, as I just mentioned, the actual just traditional S View with the wallet capability, because the reality is, if Samsung's really trying to pitch that we're going to start using our mobile devices for payment, why even have a slot for credit cards? I don't get it. I mean, I get it, but this makes more sense to me. It's more unique. I would have preferred the black color. Blue was all they had in stock. Nothing wrong with the blue. I mean, perfectly fine. And again, it doesn't bulk up the form factor too much, which in my opinion was the most important element of this product. Of course, I will come back to you with feedback. This is just an unboxing, initial impressions of the case. It is expensive at $60 US. Again, you can get this discounted if you buy it in tandem with additional accessories. Also bear in mind that if you purchase the Note 9 now, this is a freebie option like the wireless charger Duo that I also unboxed as well. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe. Later.